Good morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome to another London session stream. It is Friday the 13th. We got Friday the 13th last month already, which is kind of weird because usually it doesn't happen twice in a row. But we're here again. Today we got a special guest, as you can see. We got the one and only trader Kane in the house, so super excited for that. I already told Celine, Celine, today you're not going to get your normal intro because there's going to be more focus on Kane today. Good morning, Kane. How we doing? All good?
Good morning, gang. I'm very well. Yourself?
Hell yeah.
Morning, Kane. I'm sad that I didn't get my intro, but happy to have you here with the London gang.
I always miss the intro. I joined maybe 20 minutes in, always.
Oh, so you want me to do it?
You have to do it.
I think you might have to do it, to be honest.
All right, chat, because they asked for it. Today with me, we got the one and only Australian Balinese ICT trading, 15-minute sweeping, 1-minute inverse, newly fiancé club member, North saying, daughter saying, back gambling, not to Mexico flying, airport hating, AI trading, movie trailer, voice hating, positive otter, 9 cat taker watching, fillet of fish hating, chair crashing, roaring kitty, selfie. Good morning.
Morning. I feel better now.
That's amazing. Yeah, you can. I was going to say, there's absolutely no way you would never not do that.
Hey, we expanded it with the chair crashing, so.
God. Let's not talk about that.
You're feeling okay though, aren't you, Celine? After
I'm alive. At least I was saying to these guys, chat, that at least all I have to do today is sit on a chair and trade. So I'm good. I'm good.
Best job in the world. All right, let's get to the charts. Actually, Kane, why don't you get us started here and tell us what you're seeing in the market right
now? Right now, we're under previous day low. We're under this previous 4-hour low with the 4 hour and 2 hours time. So for me, I'm in 2 minutes time, I want to see this low taken and then some sort of reclaim, maybe targeting back into this previous day low area. I don't really like it too much when London just goes in one direction like this. I don't like to fade it. 2 o'clock just to really fail to trade above the opening print. And since it's been down, and then 3 o'clock came online and it's actually just sold down the entire time. So for me, I need to see something sell down and buy back up off of a low before I can even attempt to long it. I can't sell this low down here. So yeah, just kind of really stuck. I like overnight we came online, took out previous day low, and then played higher. This kind of tells me that people are interested in buying it off of previous day low. We rallied. Sorry, how much did we rally? 150 points, 600 ticks, off that low, and then we just slowly died. And then at 2 o'clock, that 4 hours come online. But there's no sweeps here. The previous 4 hour candle was an inside bar. This 4 hour candle was traded through the low. So for me, all I really frame now is we have 2 hours to get back up here. And if we get back up here by 6 a.m., this is just going to trade higher all day.
All right. I think we all agree that we want to take longs. Celine, what are you seeing?
Yeah, I'm feeling longs also because previous 4 hour low has been swept, and it just also we are 1 minute away from London session open, so I think we are going to get some volume in. So I am curious to see. My charts are just lagged out a bit here. 1 moment, please. But I am curious to see if we sweep lower. My Asia low has already been swept out, so potentially I would be happy to long at any given moment now if we do get an alignment with the 15-minute. I'm actually looking at this. Why is this taking so long to load? Anyway, I'm looking at an entry on the 1 minute at the moment, but I'm trying to load my charts right now. It's because Kane's here. Take another bandwidth.
Yeah, blame it on Kane.
Sorry.
Blame it on Friday the 13th,
Yeah, that seems like a much better thing to blame it on, to be honest, Celine. But you always default to blaming it on me, so that's fine. We know where you're.
Well, you know what? I never have these issues. I stream every day, Kane, and I never have these issues, so.
I'm sure you've never fallen off your chair, but every day is a new day.
All right, that's true.
Yeah.
That's perfect. I'm going to use this all the time now. By the way, if we go to my charts really quick, Roman, what I'm looking at right now, we are at the 618 GP here on the higher time frame, 1 hour actually. But I would love, obviously if we pop here, I would still take longs, but I would love for it to actually tap like 357, which is pretty much previous week low. 350, 150 is previous week low, and then reclaim some of this and get back to the 600s, maybe 650s. But we'll see. We'll see what the market does. We've got 1.5 minutes since the open. Actually, didn't even see the open.
There was a bit slow today.
I got tapped into this long, by the way. So after the inversion on the 1 minute, when my chart's finally loaded, I took it based on the 357 inversion on the 1 minute, but open just happened, so I could be getting stopped at this really quickly. Stop is at the previous 15 minutes low, and I'm just aiming for a 1-to-1, which will be like 20 points, 24 points.
I don't
We'll see.
Yeah, I don't hate that. I just the tough point here is like I hate being like having my stop loss below this 15-minute low, because if it takes the hourly low and starts to reclaim, I immediately then like try and long again, and it gets stuck in this cycle of just longing the low over and over. So I just typically try to wait. But it's a trade that I've taken many times, like this kind of setup.
But if it does take me out, I would probably then wait for us to... Oh, yeah. There is some volume there. I traded this with micros also, just because it is at open, so anything could happen.
We wait and see. So far, we don't have a big range at all for London.
My charts are actually just super slow today. Why?
I don't know.
So annoying.
33 points London range so far. After 3 minutes. Where are your puppies, Kane?
Oh, they're downstairs. You're moving
Oh yeah, what the hell?
Of course we want you to get them.
Yes.
What alley?
2 seconds.
Is that a question?
Hey, puppy stream chat.
I hate being in a trade this close to the open. Got a little bit excited. Literally 3 minutes into the London session open and I'm in a long. Let's see.
Well, where's your stop on that?
423. Oh, we cooked.
423.
We are cooked. I missed this long before the open, which would have hit. So that's annoying if I take the stop here because...
That's okay. That's
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
I'm not afraid of losses. All right, there we go. It just took me. Now we wait.
Chat, how are we doing? How is everybody? I see Mo asking... Oh, wait. We got the puppies. We got the puppies.
Oh, yay.
We need them puppies.
Puppy TV.
Oh, we got...
What's the other one's name?
Okay, that...
Oh,
They're way
so this is Zella.
Zella.
And this is Zeus.
I was expecting the other one to be named Trade.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
She hates being picked up right now. Don't know why.
Oh, her ears are different color to her fur, to her coat. Zella.
Look at her. She's shy. She doesn't.
Oh my god.
Roman, Andrea says, put the puppies in full screen. Fuck the charts.
You okay?
Aw, they're so cute.
Aww.
Trader puppies.
Are they potty trained yet? How are you dealing with the training process?
They are. I'm just making sure they go down the stairs. Sorry. They are potty trained. They're just not like. They're not 100%. That's the problem.
Here's the sweep of the low, by the way, Kane.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah. He's really adventurous. She's really shy. So like he will like walk down the stairs, go up the stairs, where she's like gets halfway down and then like freezes.
They must love that grass paddock you got. Is that what all the grass was for? It's for the puppies.
They love it. They really do love it, actually.
Cute.
I might buy this right here, boys and girls.
I don't hate it.
Do it.
I do not hate it. Also,
Buy my stuff.
HHTG in the chat says, Nick, please help. I got $300 of drawdown left. Look, you have two options. Option number one is you really like buying a new account for you is a lot of money. And in that situation, I would actually scale down like heavily, literally like 1 micro, maybe 2 max, and try to get it back up. Or if you say, fuck it, I don't really care about buying a new account, like you go hard, you full port it, maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. Those are your two options.
Yeah. I agree with you.
Also, Celine, we got an angel number subscriber count now.
I
77.7.
know.
Look at this.
777.
Crazy.
Angel
So,
numbers.
I think we should do a sick giveaway today. Kane, you picked the like goal. I'll tell you what we're gonna give away, but what's the like goal we need to hit?
How many likes do we have right now?
Right now, let me refresh. We are sitting at 76 with 361 people watching. And usually we go up to like 500 people watching.
Okay, so 450 likes.
Oh, okay, I like it. Perfect. That's actually our natural progression. It would be 450.
Yeah, we would have done 450.
That's
Oh,
perfect.
really?
Yeah. So that means because we align on the like goal, chat, today we're going to give away 150k Lightning funded account.
That's
literally
great, by the way.
The biggest account you can get. The best. The biggest, the best.
And we're going to offer the 5x word again, right?
Oh, wow.
Wait a minute.
Well.
Let me like not get fired before the weekend. That would be nice.
Don't worry about it. Who needs a job?
Look.
You're good. Don't worry about it.
We might do a double. We might do a double or nothing.
All right, double or nothing. 450 likes, double or nothing, 150k Lightning.
No, I feel like, guys, no. For the double or nothing, we have to do like 550 likes.
All right, deal. That's deal. I'm happy to compromise on that, chat. I'm talking on your behalf. Deal.
All right, deal. It's 550, double or nothing, and it's 450. You get the account. Done.
Sounds good. Sounds like a plan.
I agree.
Market, you fell asleep or what? Did you buy it?
I did buy it, and we were $1,000 up, and then now we're back at break even.
Oh, nice. I do like this trade though, 4 longs.
Yeah, I mean, I'm probably a bit early. That's the only problem.
I was very early.
Where's opening price? Did we reject off of it? No, we're nowhere near actually.
Oh, we got chicken in the chat, Nick.
Oh, chicken in chat. Everybody goes or say morning chicken.
He says he's in shorts at the moment, so for once you might win this, chicken.
You know.
For once.
Whatever.
Kane, you got yourself a little super fan in the chat.
Who's a super fan? Oh,
The Mantis Saint says, "Gosh, Kane is so handsome."
oh, the Glazers.
Damn.
They follow me around.
Damn. Okay, NQ said goodbye.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
I'm not stopped yet. I typically give myself a bit of wiggle room during London. So I gave myself 30 points.
Well, makes sense. I do that too. Like I never set the stop at the actual low. I set it below the low. Because I see it so often that the actual low gets tapped like by a tick and then it runs. And I'm like, nope, I'm not going to miss out on that.
Usually where mine is, it's like it just gets broken through. Like it dies.
But it looks like it
I'm
went
always
360 for GP longs, maybe. Let's see.
Oh, it's dying.
It's not looking good.
Where's
Are
your
you
stop?
only trading NQ these days, Kane? Do you ever look at gold or like?
Nah.
Yes.
I'm just NQ right now. Like,
Mhm.
don't get me- like when I'm like trading like smaller size, I'm just trying to like be in the market for the sake of it, like not trying to really trade like super well, because I just know like my trading's not on point. I look at anything and everything just to like keep the cogs running. But when I'm trying to like size up my trading and push the boat, which I'm doing right now, I just look at NQ. Like I have my chart all day, every day. Well, I have NQ on my right, ES top left, and then I just have a bottom left chart that I use to look at other things like price of Bitcoin, the price of crude. And that's it really. So I just rotate. But yeah, that's the two I look for right now. It's just NQ and ES. And
so would you take entries off ES based on like?
Yeah, like I'll sometimes long NQ because ES gives me a setup. I don't really trade ES. I'll long NQ based on that. And I'm normally like early on my typical entry. And then ES will drag it up or I'm wrong overall. But yeah, sometimes I enter a bit earlier based on the ES chart.
Interesting.
We just need to get back through this 1 hour low now. We get back through this 1 hour low, we should see some sort of pullback at least to the open. I'll add if we can get through it.
That would be nice.
Yeah. Do I mainly trade longs? No, I actually mainly trade shorts, cheesy balls.
This guy. Fucking cheesy ball.
We just call
he's
him
always here in the chat.
I refuse. I refuse.
We always call him cheese balls, but we gotta give it to him, man. He's here every single day. He's an OG.
Shout out those guys for real.
Yeah, we got a lot of them actually.
Oh, we got Corrales Sia says, hello everyone, I'm new here. Lovely to meet you all.
Hey.
Oh, welcome. We love having new people here. Welcome.
Out of all days, you get to see Kane on stream. You're lucky. First time here and Kane on.
It's true.
Congrats.
I think it's actually my first time appearing on public stream during London. So.
Oh shit.
Well done. There you go, guys. It's a Tradeify. It's Kane's first time, and he's doing it with us. There you go.
It's my favorite streaming duo on the internet.
You guys heard it. I'm gonna clip it. We're the best.
We're definitely gonna clip that. There's no doubt.
Celine still owes me money though, so.
Oh, we're not bringing that up.
I'm just trying to butter her up till she gives me it.
Please. Nope. Not happening. All my debt's been wiped.
Oh really? Who agreed to that? Did Brett agree to pay for it all?
Yeah, pretty much.
Nice. It's looking good here actually. ES took the low now again. NQ failed. They bought it back twice. They tried again on ES. It failed again.
Yeah, potentially if this 1 minute inverts, I would enter this. I don't know.
Yeah.
We'll see. We're almost there at that 360 level. I mean, it's still 40 points, but...
You still need a 40-point drop.
40 points can happen quick.
I think you're about to get it, to be honest.
We all know that.
The problem is my stop loss is below a 15-minute low now, and they might just tag it and buy it back, and I don't want to get caught in that.
Fair. Hey, Chicken, we got to give that to you. Congrats. Stop 30 points in profit. Nice.
Nice.
That's nice, but you're still a chicken. Don't forget.
They took it on ES. I think this is a reversal, boys and girls. I think it's here.
Could be. Let's see.
All right, guys, you heard it. Buy it up now, Kane said.
Yeah, financial advice, actually. Kane just gave you financial advice. Tradeify doesn't ever. We never give you financial advice, but Kane does.
He didn't even deny it.
dump your entire net worth into this long.
Wow, I'm about
He's not even denying it, guys.
I'm probably about to add, yeah.
He's doing it, actually. Nah, we're obviously kidding, chat. This is all satire. Do not do this. Thank you.
Yeah, if it wasn't obvious, I have a bunch of money and I can afford to lose it. So,
Hey, Sons of Wall Street. We're doing good. We're doing good. How are you? How are the Maldives? He actually lives there, which is kind of sick.
That
oh,
is
you
so
live
sick.
in the Maldives, like as in on the mainland or on an island?
I think he lives in Mali, but I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Oh, he goes, "How you doing, boss?" And then tags Nick, and he's like, "How are you, Celine and Kane?"
Haha. Yeah, I mean, he knows who's the boss, you know?
Yeah, Nick's the boss. Come on.
Whatever.
They know the person that decides which account to give away on the day, so they butter him up.
All right.
Makes sense.
Oh, he said, "All good, boss is just in male." All right, fine, that's fair enough. Well, today maybe I identify as male. You never know.
Well, he's not talking about Mali, he's talking about Mali, the actual mainland.
Yeah. Tell me you haven't been to Maldives without telling me.
For real.
Anyway,
Nick,
I'm
it's
so
happening again. I need to get myself off. Get me off air, Roman. God, chat,
This is great.
help me. Is it Friday yet? I just need to get off. I need to go have a weekend.
it's Friday today, yeah.
You're good, you're good.
I'll tell you what, Celine, you can have the next 2 days off on me.
Thank you. I need it.
That's very kind.
So Mala is the place in Maldives.
Yeah, Mali is the main city of the capital, basically.
Celine, are you ready to long this?
Mm-hmm. I'm watching.
I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Waiting for a 5-minute candle close. Slim Goal says, Celine, take yesterday off. It's on us.
Literally.
Are we gonna get the pump?
I think so.
It's looking like it right now.
Well,
Also,
I would like that.
BTC is above 71k again.
Yeah, I'm between you and me, chat. I bought like a silly amount of Bitcoin the last few weeks.
Nice. Nice. We love that.
Is this the time to buy?
Do you think? Do you think, Celine?
Do what you have to do.
Oh, you know what I'm really struggling with today? The chart's not loading.
Tell me what you want to see, and I'll tell you what it's doing.
Did ES sweep the previous 15 minutes low? Is that why we're having a reaction here?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's exactly
that's
why.
okay.
Okay, I'm gonna take it. All right, let's try it.
And you failed to do so. We have an hourly low as well, and now we just need to buy back up in the next hour.
I'm
and
in
40
long
minutes.
too now.
You're in?
Yup.
If we go down, we go down together. Just know that
Yeah.
I would make room for you on the door. I wouldn't let you freeze in the ocean. All right.
We're all in these longs, chat.
There was plenty of room on that door. I still don't understand.
I actually watched it the other day.
Did you cry?
No, did not cry.
How? How did you not cry?
It's not that sad, but
I cry every time. Every time. And I know what's coming. I still cry.
oh my god, I can't believe that. Oh wait, I do believe that.
I can't believe she didn't let him on the freaking door. Oh.
She didn't even. The funny thing is, like, she didn't even ask him.
Yeah. They need to make a part 2 where we understand like what what she was thinking. What happened after that?
Yeah. Are you guys talking about Master and Commander? No.
Nope.
Kane, you started live trading already on X? No. Oh,
get the
it's
post up
Fractal.
here.
Oh, I didn't realize who said that, and then I'm like, someone's trolling, and then I saw Fractal, and I'm like, oh yeah, he's definitely
Wait.
trolling.
Who's that?
Oh, he Fractal watches. Well, I only see him on Wednesdays, when I stream on Insta Live. But yeah, he's there. How you doing, Fractal?
Mr. Fractal.
I've recently been looking at silver and NQ for correlation alignment. Silver and electronics have been so similar recently. However, silver did just tap into its 4-hour demand, hit a support. Yeah, I think the main thing that you should be looking at is CL. Like, they're very, very correlated right now.
What, silver and oil?
No. NQ and oil. Like,
Oil is up only 1.6% today.
Not so much, yeah.
oh yeah,
Not so crazy.
it's basically nothing considering it's up 20% normally.
Yeah, for real. For real. Recently, it's been crazy.
There you go. Like, oil starts pushing down, and we just get this rally on NQ.
I like it.
I do like
I
it, but
like it.
it's normally not the best. Can't lie. Unless we can get out of it.
Just give us like 460 and then we're riding.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut half of this at 460, and then go from there.
Fair.
I'm taking full off at 460. You guys are
Also
crazy.
fair.
All right. Well, we got a badass over here.
I'm just trying to get in and out.
How's the weather in Bali?
Very warm today, which was weird actually because when I woke up it was raining and then it just randomly like stopped. It rains, it like torrential rains.
Yeah.
And then the sun comes out.
What's the time there right now?
4:23 p.m. So after stream is usually like
Dinner
what
time,
is it we finish?
and then chilling.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you do all day?
Good question. I'm out here grinding. I'm at the charts. I'm at the gym.
You're at the charts at like 11 o'clock at night, US time. Really?
No, like, hold on. Literally, I did trade New York session last night. Some nights I take New York off because just can't be bothered. But I might be editing videos or like filming stuff or just a grindaholic out here in Bali.
Yeah, fair. I rate it.
But it's good. It's a chill. It's also very chill. Like, I can go to the beach whenever I want. It just hasn't been the best weather lately. But because of that, I've just been indoors and just grinding away out here. But I'm moving to Europe soon. So
yeah. I think you told me that.
Yeah, I'll be in the better time zone. I'll be looking forward to that.
Worse weather though. Just saying.
Yeah, but I wouldn't mind a break, to be honest. Like,
I've
been in the heat. Yeah, I've been in the heat for so long now, and honestly, it's not. Like, I sound like I'm complaining, but.
Well, you are, but it's okay.
But like, you guys live in a tropical climate for a year. It doesn't ever get cool. It just gets wet or dry. That's all.
Yeah, living in paradise isn't paradise all year round. Is what you're saying.
I could make a whole video on that. It's not actually paradise out here. No, but no, it's good. It's been good. I highly recommend. Paradise, hey,
like to live in paradise all year, you got to travel. Otherwise, there's.
Yeah.
Is there a place where it's actually nice the entire year?
I'd love to know.
I mean, I think I could sit in the Maldives if it rained all day.
Wait, actually, I would say Greece. That's fine with me.
Rain in the Maldives, not my vibe.
Really?
We were lucky. Like when we were there in January, like literally we had 0 days of rain, which is rare.
But rain in hot climates is the worst. Like it's really muggy and humid. There's nothing worse than that.
Yeah. Like if you're in Florida during like summer and it like rains, fuck, it's awful after. It's just muggy. Yeah.
That's what it's like here. It's the worst.
Yeah. So when you move to Europe, are you just gonna like fly to Switzerland every day to trade with Nick?
Yeah, we actually stream together in
Or-
person. That's the plan.
Well, actually, you're coming to Greece, and we're gonna have a battle at paddle. We're gonna have a paddle battle.
Battle. Okay, let's do
We
this.
got to play
Celine.
paddle today, actually. Yeah.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Celine, let's do this. Whoever
Yeah.
wins at battle decides where we're gonna stream from.
Okay, so where do we have the first tournament? We'll do like a neutral territory.
Okay, neutral territory is in the UK with Kane.
Okay, done. I'll
Done.
fly to London.
We can go to Estelle Manor and play there. We just need a good day.
All right, done.
Question, Celine, how many games of paddle have you played?
I can probably count that on the back of my hand, but you don't need to know that because I'm just a pro. Okay.
All right, I'll cook you. Don't worry.
I'm getting really good at getting it back when it's like in the corners when it's low.
Oh,
So,
playing out of the corner. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm getting
But
good.
the thing is, I thought I was getting really good, and then I played against somebody who was really good, and then I
Yes.
realized I wasn't really good.
It's embarrassing at that point, isn't it?
Very. But so we need a fourth person then. So Celine, Kane, me. Who's the fourth?
Who else do we know out there that plays paddle?
Honestly, I would be scared of Kane's smashes because he's like fucking
Tall.
2 meters tall.
Honestly,
That's true.
If he
The person-
smashes, you're done.
the person I know that's really good is Juno, like that guy who used to work. Well, he still works for me, but used to be inside the lab. That guy's fucking lethal at paddle. It's like he's not even playing, you know? Yeah.
All right,
he's
not
just,
him.
He's just
How
like
about
walking
not
around,
him?
like, yeah, no worries, sweet. He already knows where it's gonna be.
Well, he's not joining us.
Yeah.
What about Max? Does Max play?
Max does play. He's a cheater though, so he would have to be on my
no.
team. Yeah.
He's one of those guys when it clearly hits the glass, he goes like, "Yeah, that was in."
Yeah, he's also like, I don't know. He's just a cheater. He's a rage
Just
baiter
in
as
general.
well. He will provoke you with like, I mean, if you want to say that's out, I'll let you have it. But I think we all know it wasn't. I'm like, no, it fucking was. Like, you're just cheating. Like, are you
I
good?
hate that.
And then after, like, as soon as you make a mistake, he'll be like, nice, good job.
But to be fair, when it hits the back, like the bottom of the glass, it is so hard to tell if it was like floor or window or like
That's actually easy.
oh. How's that?
You
The angle of the ball, then when it comes back.
take a corner. If the ball like jumps away in over a 45-degree angle, it was in. If it's below 45 degrees, it's out.
Yeah. That's like the way that they do it.
That's very hard to see.
No.
I mean, it's not hard to figure it. Like, when it happens, if the ball because you have to think the ball has to bounce up so you can play under it, right? If you can't play under it, by a general rule, that there's not enough room when it hit the glass first.
Okay.
pretty
I can play
much.
with those rules. I'll play with those rules.
Yeah.
I wonder because I've literally never seen you play paddle, Celine. I really wonder how good you are. Or
Oh,
bad.
good. You know what I struggle with though, because I played a bit of tennis, and
Mm-hmm.
so I do come over like my forearm sometimes. Like, oh, here's a bit of a push.
She does the overheads.
I
serve.
do this full
like,
like top
"Oh, I'm
spin. No, but I do have a bit of a forehand that doesn't need to be so full on. And I think like from what I've heard is I actually put it on a platter for my opponent when I hit like that. So I'm trying to like undo my forehand, so a little harder because I
The
do a lot of top.
The trick to playing paddle is the game speeds up, right? Where I think a lot of people try and play really fast out of the gate. The idea is that you play slow and then you get into a rhythm and then it just gets faster and faster. Where in pickle, like I don't know if many people play pickle, but that immediately out the gate is fast. Like you serve fast, you play fast. You're always trying to fuck your opponent. But like in paddle, it's more like you're trying to just place the ball and play the game than anything else.
Yeah, I've never played pickleball, but it's just a smaller version of tennis, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure a lot of people wouldn't like us saying that, but yeah.
Well, they're different. They're different.
They are different.
Terms.
They're a hollow ball as well, so like the way that the bat interacts with the ball is completely different. Like you actually have to hit it. Like you can't just like with a tennis ball, you could just like tap it on a tennis ball at the right angle, and the ball will bounce.
Yeah.
On pickle, you actually have to whack it, otherwise the ball's going nowhere.
All right, it's a bit different.
Hey, we're getting hour longs here.
Yeah, but the thing is,
Look at
we just
that.
swept this 15-minute high, and I don't love it, and we're not getting through it. So,
But I also don't hate it because that pop on this 5-minute candle was clean.
Oh, someone has to tell me what the 15-minute looks like because
The 15-minute looks like
we have SMT
Very
at the
green.
previous low.
it has no
441.
Bottom
I like it.
Okay.
Yeah, but it does on ES.
It does have a bottom
Oh,
width.
okay.
It's very tiny.
Yeah. And then we just opened up now this new 5-minute, and then the
I can
5-minute. Okay.
I can see it now.
Practical. I do play squash, not just in winter, also in summer. Squash is fire.
Oh, I'm not a squash guy. I'm sorry.
I've never played squash either.
Squash is just like if you think paddle is fast, squash is like fucking speed of light.
It's like steroids. So it's like everything on everything.
Yeah.
But that's when, like, the ball's coming at you fast, right? Like you're
Right.
just smacking it against the wall.
Very. Oftentimes,
I could not
in
play that.
squash, you don't even see the ball. It's like, fuck, where did it go?
And your
I could not.
opponent's like trying to be in your way, trying to like hit it at
Yeah.
stand in the most awkward spot and hit it. So you have to like
Yep.
play around them.
Black is asking, what's that like? Go tell me! Dude, stop shouting here.
Don't yell.
It is 450 as per Kane. We're sitting at 247, but there are 583 people watching, so it's easily doable. If everybody just hits that like button right now, we are going to give away a 150k lightning funded account. So easy
Yeah.
peasy.
And if we get
Also-
if we get to 550,
Yes.
there's a double or nothing
Mm-hmm.
wheel for the
Mhm.
winner.
It's true. It's not a lie.
Oh yes, that's it. Paul Prophet says table tennis gets pretty fast. That's something I could definitely like destroy you in.
Oh really?
Table tennis.
I bet.
No, Nick.
I bet $1,000 you will not beat me in table tennis.
And I bet
No,
you $1,000 that even if you do, she's not going to pay you. So
No, Nick. Please, you have to understand.
Uh-huh.
Table tennis is a game of reflexes. All you have to do, like, it doesn't matter if I'm short, whatever. Like, I know in paddle, I might have a weakness there, but in table tennis, my reflexes, it's like unmatched.
Yeah, I mean, you
wa-
showed amazing reflexes yesterday falling off that chair.
yeah.
How is that any comparison? I'm gonna get this on film. I'm gonna just like have to show you. Trust me. I literally stand there and I'm just like this, and the ball just, you know.
I Celine, if we
on.
ever finally meet in person, we're gonna battle it out in table tennis. We're gonna battle it out in paddle tennis, and what else?
That's
we got?
it.
Just those two. Okay, cool.
That's
Really,
it.
what we need is like a Tradeify retreat to a really nice, more deviant island that has all of them.
I like
Mallet?
Just saying.
that. Clip that. No mail.
Mail. Yeah.
Mail?
Clip that.
We fly into
that.
mail.
And send it to Brett.
How? Oh yeah. I mean, how are we gonna swing that? That's the real question. I think we just book it and say that we need some RR time, and Brett's on the hook for it.
just expense it.
Just a month after the Mexico one as well. Like, we need another one. We need another
Yeah.
retreat.
You didn't go to Mexico though, right?
No.
Exactly.
You know the story? If I had gone to Mexico, I would have been in Qatar or Dubai, whichever airline I ended up taking. I would have been there on the day that everything got. Yeah.
Oh, so it was God's way of keeping you in safe hands, Celine.
Right? Because the whole time I was copying shit from everyone, like, Celine, as if you're not going to get on a flight and blah, blah, blah. And then literally, like, I would have been stuck there for at least a week. I was seeing videos of people at the airport like stuck and smoke everywhere. I was like, good thing I didn't go.
Yeah, I agree with that, knowing now what happened. However, the reason why you didn't come to Mexico was a different one. I don't want to take another 30-hour flight after 2 weeks in Miami.
Whatever. You know how tired I was getting off
But
the
I
flight.
must admit, I'm happy you didn't because of what happened afterwards. So, we're good.
You know what would have happened? I would have arrived and I would have been asleep for the entire day one. So like, there we go, one day gone, and then there was only 2 other days, 2 days. And then I would have been flying back, lost 2 days in the sky, another 40 hours to get home.
Oh.
But
By the way, I just took a partial here. Got out of 1, so I'm in one more mini.
What the fuck is going on with my orders? I don't know if people can see this. They're just jumping around. I should be out at 5 right here.
Huh. That's odd.
told you, there's something weird going on.
Can you guys see this? Look.
Wait. Okay, show us.
Like,
what the fuck?
You see it moving?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm not looking.
I'm not doing anything.
The fuck? I can see it.
Oh, what?
Or probably manually close it.
Imagine you're getting hacked.
Okay, I'm out of 5 here.
Nice.
Probably
Great trade. Everybody put a W in the chat. Kane.
W. Let's go.
Yeah.
So we locked in like whatever the difference is between 7 and 3.6. So yeah.
Nice. Clean. Good.
And now we let the rest run to like 24,497.
Yeah, I'm to where?
24,497.
497. What's that?
That is the 50% range of the move down.
Ooh. I end up just going break even at that 1-to-1 level, and now I have full TP at 475.
Nice.
GG's. We didn't go down together, boys and girls.
Yeah, we got up together.
We're
That's
getting
what
up
we did.
together. Yeah, exactly.
That's what we did. Hell yeah. That was good. Great trade.
It wasn't easy. Never is, but we got there.
We got
There
there.
we go. Another
We made it
TP.
We made it happen. All right. I'm fully out of mine.
Where are the money guns? I don't have a money gun. So
Okay, hold on.
Money gun.
One
Here we go. Chat. W
Hey.
for everybody. Ready, Celine? Ready?
Okay, ready?
Here we go.
Hey.
Hell yeah. Kane, you need the money gun.
Yeah,
Yeah, where's
gang.
my money gun?
We still gotta get those. We still gotta get those Tradeify money guns made.
Yeah, that would be sick.
Like green ones? Yeah, I want a green one.
Yeah, Brett's slacking. We need to get onto that.
Yeah.
Yes, as if that was his job to produce those.
It is now.
Priorities
I'm gonna message in the Slack right this second.
at Brett.
We need green
That's
money
right.
guns.
Money gun, please. Ah, nice.
All
Chat,
right,
who-
nice.
Chat, who caught the longs?
I bet some of these guys would have. Cheese balls definitely would have been in longs. That guy.
We all caught them longs. Love it. The question is, how much further can we go? I mean, we got previous day low sitting at 517.
I reckon pretty far.
Damn, that was 50 points in the London session. We're getting.
Here you
That's
go.
a nice move.
Momo says, boom, losing streak ended, basically. Made all my money back.
Hell yeah.
That's the type of mindset you need, right? Like you can have a bunch of losers and one winning trade pays it back. That's actually how trading works, chat. That's
True.
like the
Literally.
logistics of it. And you know, I caught a lot of heat yesterday because I was bullish and we ended up going down. I still made money, but everyone's like, oh, so you're wrong on your bias. Well,
Yeah.
I hate to break it to every single person, the social media has made it really fucking horrible for the fact of having a losing trade, and losing trades are really fucking normal. And if people tell you otherwise, they're idiots.
Literally. And the people that are freaking out about you losing are the ones that also lose. It's not that they don't know what a loss is. It's just
Oh yeah, that's
people can't accept that we lose also. For some reason we're invincible, but we're not. We're definitely not.
Yeah.
We all lose every now and then.
There's only 323 likes, so we're like 130 away from the like goal for a giveaway.
We're slacking.
It's pretty. Wait, Nick, I'd say that's pretty good, actually.
It is. It is.
Same, we just caught an amazing long as a trio, and
We did.
we don't have 450 likes. I'm
We're
sorry.
at 341 though
sorry,
at
but these-
8:42 UK time. So we're actually on track. We're easily on
These
track.
guys, I think we're ahead of track. These guys around, like, we're 40 minutes in. We'd probably be in the 200. We'd be lucky if we'd be in the 200s.
550
after
for the double, Leah. So we need 450 for even a giveaway. Come on, do the work, chat. Like Andrea said, go on, get the likes pumping.
Andrea's always slapping them into shape.
Yeah, get the whip out. Get the whip out. Come on. Was I a bit impatient this morning? Probably, but my entry is like, if I would have entered like some move like up, if I would have entered like a move up here, like say this traded here, and I would have entered here, this would have been impatient. Like I was entering here on the basis that this took it out, and I mean, yeah, sure, my stop loss was very close, but I kind of knew that, which is why I went like 5, and then I added 5 on the way back through. And if I would have got stopped out, I'd have got stopped out. That's only a me problem.
Oh, we got an important question in the chat. Suriluki's asking Kane, what will you have for lunch today?
I'm not sure today. It's Friday. Maybe we'll be naughty. I don't know.
Oh, what's like a naughty lunch for you? Do share.
I normally just have a sandwich. Normally a Subway. So like if I'm
Oh, nice.
if I'm at home, like my like long-term chat will know, like it'll be like I'll be like, oh fuck, I'm hungry, man. I'm just gonna order some food, and they're like, so what are you gonna have from Subway today? I'm like, fuckers.
Oh, Subway's not that bad.
No.
Celine, Subway
What?
is really fucking bad. Like
No, like just one
listen,
foot
listen.
long, little
No,
bit of.
listen. You going to McDonald's eating a Big Mac menu is less
Calorie.
than
You're
eating
lying.
1 foot long Subway.
Oh yeah, the bread is awful. Yeah.
People don't understand nutrition, Celine.
I do not understand that.
No, it's so funny. Like if you go, here's the crazy part. If you go to a bakery in Switzerland and you get yourself a sandwich, like a normal sandwich, like a little lunch snack, whatever, it has more calories than a fucking Big Mac. And people think, oh, I'm just getting a nice healthy sandwich, but there's sauce in there. Absolutely destructive. It's bad.
Hold
It's
on,
really
I
bad.
don't get cheese. I don't get cheese or any of like the mayo sauces or anything. I feel like that's
Oh,
half
so
the
you
fun.
just have like a sandwich or what?
No, I get salami. You gotta have the hot salami, fresh tomato, onion, olives, spinach. That's it. A bit of salt and pepper, and you're good. How is that more than a Big Mac?
Okay, that's probably not. But it depends.
Depends on what you put in
it
there.
I'm
also-
not getting
yeah.
the cheese and the bacon and the fucking sauces. That's the excess. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm just. You know what? On this conversation, I'm gonna starve myself for lunch. That's what I'm gonna have.
Oh no.
Thanks, chat.
Is this the same where people say like sushi's unhealthy because of all the rice? Like it's actually really carby?
But
I
it's different then. It's like they're complex carbs and also pretty good fats normally.
Yeah. Okay, good.
Kane, where do you normally stream? I don't stream really anymore. I'm just here right now.
Just enjoying the vibes,
Yeah, I'm just here.
Although you did stream New York, did you? Yesterday?
I streamed New York on YouTube yesterday, yeah. But that's because I've made this running theme of every time my last stream ticks over 6 months, I do a stream. So I did it with my
check-in.
my first stream was 12 months ago. My last stream was 6 months ago, and then I had one yesterday. So, yeah.
Love it.
Am I going for Midnight Open? I'm actually just going for 50% of the range. Midnight Open is miles away.
Where's 50% of the range? What level?
24497 and a quarter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
that's still much higher.
like this range right here, like chat, you see, this range hasn't been officially delivered. So if I go replay to like Asia, this 50% of the range here was delivered, and this 50% here was delivered. You have to squint to see them, but you can see them, right? Like the starts down here. There's a dotted line right here that says LLT. Once it gets hit here, it's delivered. We get rally out into 50% right here, and then we trade lower. And then once we break, like we basically create these evolving ranges that my indicator just permanently tracks. So I'll constantly target those as areas to go back to, and then because we continually fall, there's no setup, the 50% of the range consistently moves. We get to make a new low, we make a new low, and then it drops down. So that is typically where I will always target to get out of trades.
I think we might be close to that light count.
Are we though? Oh yeah, we are at
Oh, shit.
453.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna.
Well, let's see. We're not going to do the giveaway now. We are going to do the giveaway, of course. We're not going to do it now. Maybe let's see if we can hit 550, and then we're going to do a double 150k lightning funded, or give two lightning 50. What can I talk? 150k lightning funded. Give two away to two separate people.
Maybe 650.
Cool. It's like she's getting paid with likes, chat.
That's AI currency, you know.
Yeah.
One like, I get $1,000.
Damn, you're rich now.
Damn. No
Thanks,
wonder you're streaming so much.
Like asking Nick, are you even allowed to do a giveaway after yesterday? I don't know, but I don't give a shit.
It's so funny.
How did he hit the 5x?
It's so funny as well. I was like, I just feel it. He's got to take it. He's got to take it. Celine's like, no, you can't give him like a risk-free bet. I'm like, oh, behave, Celine.
Oh, because we didn't do that for anyone else. Like,
Yeah, but-
I was waiting for today for everyone to be like,
There's the pop.
Wait, what? Am I
Yeah,
on my
that's-
trade? Oh, I'm in fucking replay mode still.
oh my god.
I was like, what the? Why is my trade gone?
Patrick says, Celine, did you put some pillows on the floor today? What?
Because you fell off the
Oh.
chair. Yeah,
Okay.
maybe you should consult a doctor. I think you've got amnesia.
I already have trauma from that. Just completely wiped my memory, Patrick. I was laughing so hard because it had to be on film. I had just pressed record. I was like, what are the chances? And I had to send it to the team because I knew.
So you were recording some content. I was wondering why you were staring at the camera when it happened.
Well,
I was like,
no
is
shit.
she- What's she doing? I was like,
I had put the camera on to start I had to film a 15-second thing. That's all I had to do. It's 15 seconds, turn on record, do the video, and then that's what it ended up being. Anyway, it's done now.
we're gonna get there, chat. We're gonna get there.
Looks like it.
Oh, they teased me. They're teasing.
Oh,
They got me.
nice.
I'm out.
Nice.
All right, I'm gonna do one. I've
Big
already
W.
got cash all over my desk, but here you go.
Big
One more.
W in the chat. Come on now. Oh, like one money for Kane again?
One, because yeah, one's enough.
Oh, love it.
Almost $11,000 in the morning.
Hell yeah.
Nice.
Let's fucking go.
Let's go.
We love that. That's a good start into Friday.
We do love that. Right, I just need to log out to Tradeify so I can post a screenshot on Twitter.
Little Twitter screenshot, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, who else held that long with Kane?
They better held.
Oh, we got Coach Tank in the chat.
Coach Tanker.
Tank says, please put more emphasis on how Kane systematically chose a stop loss with a buffer, then allowed the market to test it. Most retail traders would have cut their losses and bottled it. Yeah, so true. He was much more fluid with his stop, and that's probably from all of his years of experience, chat. So very true. Plan the trade, trade the plan. Brilliant, mate. That's from Coach Tank, Kane.
Appreciate Tank.
Tankerton, how we doing? Did you record your videos yet?
Oh shit, XVQQX says I'm still long $200 more to pass the account. Let's go. You might be getting it. I mean,
Let's
don't
go.
chase. Definitely have your stops in place. Break even at least at this point. Or in profit even.
This is pushing nicely. I'm liking this.
Yeah, it's great. We really found a bottom there. Just saying, we did call it, chat.
Just saying.
We
Just
did.
saying.
All three of us did.
And if this is the low of the
fair.
day, what you were told, and if we go back to the low and make a new low, just forget I was here, honestly.
I mean,
Didn't have it.
Kane told you guys, dump your entire net worth into this long. If you did,
Did.
I mean, I'm not saying you will be rich now, but you will be kind of rich now.
You'd be up. You'd be up a decent amount.
Yep.
Just saying.
Just saying.
He said, "This is it. This is where they reverse it." And look what they did.
No, let's push it further.
I got lucky, chat. Don't listen to them.
It's always luck.
His first win.
First win ever.
I'm new to this. It's beginner's luck.
How does it feel to make your first money online, Kane?
I'd like to take this minute to thank absolutely nobody.
To thank myself. Crazy. First time making 5 figures in a month, huh?
Yeah. I'll see you all in April, all right?
Are you going to the Maldives now to mail?
Yeah, I'm in the mail, yeah. This trade will pay for the flight. Woo! We won't have anywhere to stay, so
Oh well.
what's the guy's name in the chat? Maybe
Son. You can
Son
say
of
that,
Wall
son.
Street.
Do you have a spare room that I can crash in?
Andrea says, "How many years of trading behind you, Kane?"
Realistically, like full-time trading, it's like 5 years, but I've been actively trading in some capacity for 11 years now.
Damn.
11 years.
Hmm.
It's a long time. That is a long time.
That is. This is like my 3rd year. 11 is crazy.
Well, maybe if you trade 11 years, you can make 10K in a day as well.
Maybe. I hope so. Otherwise, I will not. I don't know if I'll still be doing this.
My view on NQ. So, chat, I kind of look for the same thing every day, right? So let me just remove all my drawings and I'll show you. Is every day I come to the chart and I will mark out the current daily low, and then the current 4-hour low, and the current hourly low, right? And we were already below this low before that time. So all I really want to try and do is get long below all of these levels. So I can get long basically below this area right now, right? And of course, If we keep falling, that level moves and moves and moves, right? Because what I'm anticipating is that if we reclaim out of here, we reclaim all of these levels, retest these levels, and go. And I'm like long, and I'm already either out or in break even in a runner, like whatever. So the reality here is like I just want to see us get back through this level and then trade higher. I then drop to the 15-minute, which today we have divergence, and I'll show you right now what I mean by that is this chart right here, ES. We can see that ES took out this low 415, right? 415 took out the low, and NQ failed basically to take it out. That's an indication that, for me at least, there is some sort of reversal in, like they're either buying one asset or selling the other, and the buying in the stronger asset should take precedent. I'm always an NQ trader, so all I care about is that one of the assets has it for reversal. I will take it without, so like it's not like a mandatory thing. I highlight the fact that this is okay for me, and this, if it was the opposite way, it would also be okay, right? All I care about is one of the assets taking out that 15-minute low. And then what I could do is I can then use the 5-minute, the 3-minute, the 1-minute, and the 30-second to then drop down and take entries. So today we took an entry a bit prematurely, around 24,492, because we'd spiked the low, reclaimed, and more often than not, when we like drift up like this, we will get a big push to the upside if before revisiting the low, if we're going to revisit it. Today that didn't happen, and I had my stop loss below the low, and basically as soon as we started dumping, I just immediately trailed my low to like a 30-point stop, right? Giving myself some room. I took like a half a position here, like the 5 contracts initially, and then when we got back through this 1 minute, I basically took another 5, giving me an average entry of somewhere in the middle of the 2 entries. Well, not somewhere in the middle, it would have been in the middle because that's the way math works. And then all I'm looking for is I'm looking to reclaim those levels, right? Like I previously spoke about. So we're holding the 15-minute. I want to get back above the hourly, which is here. We get back above it, and then all I want to see is us then take a shoot for this 4-hour level all the way up here. But the reality of this is it's not obviously going to just go straight up, right, to this level. So for me, all I look for is there a range in here that I can use as an area to get out of the market? Yes, right here. There's 50%. And then by my logic is this 50% hits here, it should revisit this 50% before trading higher. So I get out of the market, and if it comes back down here and I'm still at the charts, I will look at it. And if we get some sort of reversal forming around here, let me just delete all the drawings again. My paint work. So if we get a pullback here to this 50% mark of this range now, all I would typically look for is a long from here back to 50% of this range. And if I can then get out of get like a good position, like very low in here, I'll typically either get out half my position here and cut it, or I would just let the whole thing run. Like for example, like today, I would let the whole thing run to this 4-hour low, or even like midnight or this previous 4-hour high, because after that, I'm expecting the next 4-hour candle to create the swing and trade higher, right? So that for me is the main thing that I look for. But I would only let that happen on the basis that I've already made money. I've made money, so like I could take a trade if it pulls back and let it run, and then go break even and keep letting it run. And if it comes down and grabs me out, I've still made good money, right? So the important thing for me is I just want to make sure that I lock in money on the day, because that's how I pay my bills, right? That's like I make the money I make from trading fuels my life, so it's important to me. So yeah,
love that.
Nice. Yeah.
What a nice pop here on NQ.
Yeah, it's sad we're not in it anymore.
I know.
Well,
literally,
okay.
I think we bought the low, guys.
Wipe your tears with a 10K. You're gonna be fine.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
What a pump.
Hey, we're almost at 550 likes now. We're getting there. We're at 505. So 45 more.
Guys, just hit the like button. Let's just get the giveaway over and done with. Come on.
Hell yeah. Let's get it.
And chat, sorry, just to be clear, I'm a reversal trader, right? I like catching bottoms and I'm okay with being wrong. Like I've noticed over the years of teaching people, a lot of people really can't stand being wrong. And I think it's really important that you have to understand the characteristics of the type of trader you are. I can't long a high. If I could long a high, I would be a breakout trader. I cannot long a high, so I have to long a low. So I have to be a reversal trader, right? So be fully aware that like my trading style doesn't suit everyone, and I also don't advise anyone to be a reversal trader because it is some days it's fucking horrible. Like you will take 3 or 4 losses on the bounce. So, but it's how you manage them, and you can only manage them through realistically doing the do and being, doing the
having the reps.
Yeah, having the reps and building that emotional resilience to losers. If you can't do that, the way I trade will never work for you.
Yeah, so true, so true. I'm with you on that. Like I have that trait where I cannot long the highs. I just cannot. And I'm fine with that. Like I've found the way I like to trade is also in the reversal, and some days it plays out and some days it just wants to bleed, and that long just isn't going to work. And then things like risk management and how heavy you going in and those sort of things is what's going to help you long term.
Yeah.
Facts.
Sniper, how you doing, brother? Did you catch this, Sniper? It's running, Joe.
It is running. For real.
Yeah, damn. We're back at daily open.
Crazy. Would have expected that, honestly. That quickly. I would have expected it to get up there, but not that quickly.
Daily candle looks crazy now.
Our entries were sweet.
Yeah.
Our entries were fire.
So more like Shaq. Come on, let's just get it over and done with. Let's just be good. Come on.
Come on, we pretty much picked the bottom.
They're close. 6 more likes. That means a double or nothing.
That's a double or nothing. Sniper, should Tradeify give away 2 50Ks or 1 150K?
Come
on. Directs, by the way. And then also there's a double or nothing on that for the winner. Well,
we love gambling, yeah.
He said 2 50Ks.
2 50Ks? 2 50K lightning funded?
Yeah, that's what he said.
Hold up, who is Sniper and why does he call the shots?
He was at the Tradeify event in London. That's why I asked him.
Oh, shit, okay.
That's how I know him. So
wait, are we talking 2 50K lightning funded or 1 150K lightning funded?
I think the entire chat. I actually haven't seen a 150. Well, someone said 2 150Ks. That wasn't the option.
Here's what we're gonna do. Whoever wins gets to decide if they want 1 150K or 2 50Ks.
They're fair enough. Yeah, good shout. But there's still only one winner.
And then they get to do a double or nothing because we hit 550 likes. So you either walk away with nothing or 250K lightning fundeds or 4 50K lightning fundeds.
Deal. We hit the like goal though.
Did we?
We did, yeah.
Okay. Damn,
we did.
We're flying. We're almost at 600. What are we doing at 600?
Well, 650 will be the next one.
You know what's sad? Because come Monday, these guys on Monday aren't even going to get like to 200 for us, Nick. That's what's sad.
I know.
Fuckers, eh? At 650 is the 5x or not?
God damn it! You're gonna get me fired for real.
For real.
Twice in a row.
If it hits, like, okay, but what are the chances now? Twice in a row. It's got to be lower.
It is lower.
Statistically, it's the same.
It is the same. Yeah, that's true.
Okay, well,
But it
I
is
don't know if we-
lower if like considering the fact that it would be twice in a row. Technically, it's the same, but also it's not.
You guys
But
are the
it is.
guys that will walk past the roulette table and be like, "Wow, look at all those reds. It's gonna be black next."
Let's go
that's
black.
me. That's me.
That doesn't work. However, the thing you're gonna do if you go to the casino, walk in, all the money that you plan to lose for that day, put it on black. If you lose, you walk out. You would have lost anyways that day. If you win, though, you're up big.
But also baccarat, if you ever see it just going like player, it's always gonna be banker. You gotta, and then if it's not, you double in.
Yeah,
And
you
then
got
it's
yeah.
gonna be banker.
John, to answer your question, how do you expect to get 650 likes when there are only 618 people watching?
Oh,
Because people join the stream, like the stream, and then stop watching.
I'm so happy I didn't have to explain that
Yeah,
again.
me too. We explain that almost daily here.
Yeah. Like
Love that.
the likelihood that 95% of you have already liked the stream is like 0. Yeah.
This will get another call from Simba Nick. Yep.
Shit.
We thought he was hard to reach, but all of a sudden today, he's gonna
I'm
be on
not
the-
scared of Brett. I'm scared of Vinny.
He's calling you from FIA like, why the fuck are we giving away 5 accounts? What
Brett
happened?
won't care. Brett won't
To be
care.
fair, yeah, Brett won't care, but Vinny,
Vinny, I'm scared about.
It's okay. Vinny has my number. Tell him to call me.
okay. All right, you said it.
Yeah.
I'll
It was
just
Kane's
just
idea.
forward him to you, Kane. I'll be like, yeah, reach out to Kane. That wasn't me.
Kane made a deal with the chat. We're at 6:14, so you better start planning that.
Love it. Wait, Jonathan, you're going skydiving today? Is that what you're saying?
What?
I'm jealous.
Jeez. I don't know where you're skydiving, but it was fucking windy in the UK yesterday, so I hope you don't blow away.
Where are you skydiving from, Jonathan? I think he's in the
plane.
US. Going later this morning. Wow. Pretty cool. Your first time? I've never skydived before.
I think he has a license. I'm not sure, but I think. Not sure, yeah.
Oh yeah, Semper says skydive on Friday the 13th. Nice.
Oh yeah, fuck that.
So true.
I'm gonna keep you in my prayers today,
Hmm.
and I don't.
Nah, you're gonna be fine. You're gonna be
I
fine.
don't really pray. So.
Skydiving
need-
is really
I need
skydiving is really
prayers
safe. Contrary to what everybody believes, it is actually really safe. So
All right, Nick. How often do you skydive?
No,
I
he's got a
have-
full-on license.
I have 86 jumps. It's not a lot.
Fuck it. Is that not? That's a lot. That's a
No,
lot
Yeah,
it's
to
that
me.
is
not a lot.
lot.
Like if you have a license and you have 86 jumps, it's actually not a lot. Like
And you're
I've jumped
100% survival
with
rate.
people. I've jumped with people that have 35,000 jumps. It's fucking insane.
No, they were death
That is
wish, Nick.
insane.
They don't have 35,000 jumps. They were death wish.
Yeah, but no, skydiving is actually really safe. So people just don't get it.
What's so safe about it?
I mean, look, what can put? Let me ask you this: what can possibly happen?
Okay, I'll go.
Go on. You could
Go on.
die.
Get started.
Parachute might not open. Number one is my thing because like
Okay, and then
fair
wait,
enough,
wait, wait, wait,
parachute
wait.
will-
Question: what happens if the parachute doesn't open?
You have a safety parachute, yeah.
free fall death. Free fall to your death.
Are you aware that you have a reserve parachute?
You know, there's a such thing as the backup not working. I'm saying like worst case. Parachute
You know what
fails,
the chances
backup
are? You know what the
fails,
chances
there
are
you
of both failing? Because the second one is not a normal chute that you pull out. The second one is a computer-powered parachute. Did you know that?
It's like when you hit certain
Actually, I didn't-
altitude, right?
It's like if you have a certain speed at a certain altitude, it automatically
Mhm.
pops out. The chances of that failing is like 0.0000
So then,
something.
like, if internet cuts out, is this like, what does it rely on Wi-Fi?
No,
I
it
think
doesn't
the
need- doesn't need
statistics
internet.
are something crazy. Like you're more likely to die from a car crash, being hit by a car in New York City than you are to die from a skydive.
I mean, car crash, death, chances are so much higher than a skydive. Like, there's no way you're.
The other thing is like,
can't even compare
you
that.
just like losing control of like, and you just spiral. You know the guy who like jumped out of space?
I mean, that's a
Oh,
bit
that was
different.
sick. Yeah, that's something else though.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Yeah, but-
Celine, are you scared of are you scared of the ocean?
Like deep ocean, yeah.
Yeah,
You?
a little bit. If I like look down and it's just like really deep blue,
Yeah,
I'm like, oh, this is a bit chilling.
Like I've gone skydiving. I'm not skydiving. I've gone scuba diving, not skydiving. And if I can't see, like if it's really deep water, I'm out. Like as soon as I put my face down and like my legs are hanging in the middle of the water, like that's it for me.
You're down there. Look, the statistics are of like plane crashes and skydiving and all that stuff. Like you're pretty safe.
Yeah, it's
Well,
actually
go on then, Kane. Go on.
But you want me to go and do it?
Go on.
You want to know the biggest problem I have is I weigh too much.
You weigh too much.
Yeah, like I actually would have to lose weight if I want to do a skydive like with
But
someone
surely,
else. Yeah, no,
But
like
you know what's the most risky
you would
part about
survive on
skydiving?
impact.
Statistically,
fuck you. That's what. Fuck you, Celine.
your chances of dying on the way up because the plane crashes are higher than you dying from the skydive.
Are we really, Nick? We're not going to let Celine get away with this. Celine was just extremely horrible to me.
What did you
No,
say?
you said
Wait, I
it.
missed that.
I weigh too much. She goes, "You'll survive on impact." Fucking horrible. How fucking horrible is that? I'm not fucking coming back. That's me.
Wow, Celine.
That's it. When Brett calls,
Come
like,
on.
why haven't you been on Tradeify TV this month? I'm gonna be like, you
Wow.
call Celine, all right? You call her.
I'm trying to say.
No, I know. No. It was very clear. It was very clear what you were trying to say, Celine. Don't worry. You don't need to. You don't need to say it.
You said it. You said it. I was just explaining to the chat in case I didn't realize having the weight would actually support you. Chat.
Chat, the
Oh,
giveaway's
yeah.
cancelled. Blame Celine. We're not doing it.
Oh my fucking god, Celine. You messed up twice in a row.
No, that one I fully stand by.
She's
There's
on.
nothing wrong with that.
She's on the revenge arc because she fell off her chair yesterday. She's trying to not be center of attention.
It's true.
So mean.
I got laughed at by like 1,000 people yesterday on the New York stream, so gotta give it back to you guys.
G for Geo's like, you guys are always going for Celine. Did you just miss what she said? Are you good?
Thank you. No, but you're here today, but like most of the days it's on me.
All
So
right.
these guys, you know what?
I know you were just trying to get laughs, so I'll let you have it.
Yeah, it was just for the laughs. Whatever.
Oh, whatever.
Anyway, Nick, you were explaining the theory behind it. Go on.
I was just saying, your chances of dying on the plane ride up are higher than from the actual skydive.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah,
Damn.
because
That's
they're
actually.
go on.
What?
I was
There you
about to say like the planes aren't like brand new, are they? They're like kind of old style planes more often than not.
Depends where you go. In Dubai,
Yeah.
that's not the case, but in other places, yeah.
Oh yeah, Celine's AI. Yeah, we'll just take off her mean streak. We were programming her emotions. We'll have to take them out.
Yeah, blame Nick. Blame Nick for that one.
Yeah, she's in unhinged mode right now. Sorry.
She's gaining consciousness. We have to just reboot her. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, but I don't know. I mean, you've changed my mind a little bit, but still don't think I could-
We got a problem, Celine.
Yes.
Our like count is 637, so
And it's
13 more
frozen.
likes.
It's frozen, by the way. Chat. Whoever hasn't
13
liked, just like quickly now.
13 more likes, and we're gonna be at 650. So we're gonna have to do a massive giveaway, and I'm scared.
I'm scared for you because I had no part in this. Brett,
Me neither.
is
Oh,
gonna
it was
watch
okay.
this
No,
later.
Nick. We are
I'm not part of
gonna
this.
gang up on her, and I'm
Ooh,
gonna
let's
tell
go.
Brett.
I like
I'm gonna
that.
tell Brett that it was her. Actually,
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that.
It's funny because I'm just gonna clip this exact moment, Brett. Okay, you hear me?
Roman, delete the stream. Delete the bot. We'll bring
Take
you
us
in.
offline now.
Take us off. Yeah, he said he actually just in the air was like, yeah, no worries, we'll do. I'm in.
Roman.
Yeah,
Whatever.
It's okay. Humans versus AI.
yeah.
Well,
All right,
AM
we got
will always-
656. So wait, we gotta
Oh,
summarize.
We gotta
this.
do it.
What are we gonna do for that giveaway?
Yeah, Celine, tell us what was the plan.
Oh, hell no! I'm not falling for that. No way.
Okay, so realistically though, we can't get like if we can't let someone double 5. Like, are they going to double it and then 5x it, or we just get rid of the double and just have the 5x?
I think that's a better plan.
Because you can't have a double and then a 5x. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, that's
But
true.
we can also like if we do another 5. Oh my god, fucking god! What are the odds on a
It's
5x?
not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen.
What are the odds on a 5x?
Oh, it depends it depends what you put in the fucking thing, bro. If you put 20 no's and 1 yes,
No, that's
then
what
it's
I'm asking
20
you.
to 1.
Like, what should I put the odds at?
Oh,
15%.
15%.
it is so random. 15.
Hmm.
I'm gonna say 1 in 8.
1 in
Yeah.
8. I like that even more, Chad. That's better odds for us.
You reckon that's better?
Yeah, it's slightly better, yeah.
You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do this.
Can we not just give away multiple 50Ks and then I choose if we double or not? Like, for example,
Ooh,
we
okay.
will
Hold on a
spin.
minute.
We will spin now for. So there's 2 50Ks. We can do that,
Uh-huh.
Hmm.
but we'll spin now for the odds to double those to 4, and then we can give away 2 to 2 people if we hit it.
We could. All right. So you decide after each one.
I'm not deciding. You guys decide.
Let's
He
do
just
this.
doesn't wanna
Let's do
get
this. Let's do
fired.
this. We hit 3 like goals today.
Yes,
So
great.
we're
Round
gonna give away
applause.
3 separate 50K lightning fundeds. And after every time somebody wins, you decide if we're gonna do a double, triple, or whatever.
Triple, huh?
Oh wait, I'm saying double. I forgot. We agreed 5x. My bad.
All right.
5 50K
You know what?
lightning
You
funded.
know what, chat? You know what, chat? I'm gonna send you guys a Google form. Fill out that Google form first, okay? Here's the thing, though. If you fill it out more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the Google form is, you will get disqualified as well.
Yeah.
So fill that out while we decide what this giveaway is gonna be like. But it's gonna be good. It's gonna be very good.
I think 3 winners, a 50K each, and we will give them triple or nothing. That's a good deal because it means more winners.
There's a
Okay, but
chance
what
we
are
can
the
give
odds?
away
What are
9
the odds on the
50K.
triple or nothing?
Well, to be honest, Celine, we were going to give away 10 50Ks a minute ago because, well, potentially because we were going to have 2 and then a 5x. But like,
Well,
we can't give someone 10
potentially.
50Ks.
Well,
it's pointless.
Okay, potentially.
No,
Potentially.
no,
Nick.
she's such a negative chat. We're going to do it. We're going to win.
Okay. I have
No, let's do
I have a suggestion here.
No, I'm down. I'm down to do double or triple, and we just got to decide on the odds.
Here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. 1 second. I prepared a wheel.
Just so you know,
okay?
chat, the casino always wins.
I prepared a wheel. That wheel has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 nothings on it. It has 2 doubles on it, and it has 1 triple on it.
Oh, we need another double. I'm sorry, Nick. Those odds are bad.
Okay, I'm
let me
gonna add another double. Here we go.
Wait, can you tell me what we're working with? How many doubles?
10 nothings, 3 doubles, 1 triple.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think
fair.
that's fair.
I think that's fair.
Good. All right. Let's give them a couple.
So how is it
seconds
going to work,
here.
right? So we're gonna give them the chance to
3 people the chance.
3 people, 3 winners, and if they're in
Yeah.
the chat, they get to choose whether they spin it. I'm not covering the downfall today. I'm sorry.
Okay, good.
Right. So
Oh, you're
Okay.
not?
no, I'm not. So like if you spin and win nothing, you win nothing. That's the end. But if you
All right, you heard it, chat.
Good.
It's nothing. Actually, nothing today.
yeah,
Good.
it's not. There's no risk-free bets today. I'm sorry.
We can also, just saying, we can also add 5 more nothings to the wheel, but
5x.
because of that, we add 1 5x as well.
Chat, that's bad odds. Don't do that. I'm telling you,
No,
don't
that's
do
getting
that.
exciting now.
Chat, if you can vote on it, chat, but I'm telling you, statistically,
Vote on it.
that's not worth it.
Okay,
Hold
we're
on
gonna say let's do a quick vote. Let's say 1's for yes, 2 for keep it as is.
1s and 2s. Come on. Celine's like, yeah, get gamba. Look at her. I can see her hand move. Like she's like this.
Okay.
Okay, most of them are saying
Oh,
two.
most people
Sorry,
saying
Celine.
two.
We're keeping it the same.
All right, we're keeping it the same. We're keeping it the
We're
same.
probabilities.
Damn
Okay.
it. All right,
Alright,
it was a test chat. You
Let's get
passed.
the first winner. Let's see how this goes down. Okay. I gotta copy everybody over here to the wheel. One second.
Can we just do a test with me, just in case, just like a fake one?
Test
but
with
then
you.
that's gonna mess with the
All
probability.
right.
Hold on.
Okay. Good point.
Technically not gonna mess with the probabilities.
No, but the thing is, like if I win and everyone else loses, they're gonna be like fucking rigged for our ass. So yeah, Celine's right.
That's true. That's true. All right, let's not do that. Let's not. Do that.
Yeah.
All right, copying everybody over. Are we gonna spin both wheels separately? Is that what we're gonna do?
Yeah. We're gonna spin the winner, and then the winner gets to pick in the chat.
Here we go. First winner is.
I'm nervous.
Let's find out.
That's a lot of names. Jeez.
That's a lot of names. Yeah, we got.
Yeah, how many entries was that?
Way too many. Abhishek, hey, one of our OGs. Abhishek.
That name was so long and so many A's. I thought it was spam.
Nah, it's Abhishek. It's one of our OGs. Abhishek, let me know in the chat. Do you want to play double, triple, or nothing?
We'll just call it the Wheel of Fortune from now on.
Yep.
Yeah, it's the Wheel of Fortune.
Hold on.
The Wheel
What
of
did he say?
Gamba.
Let's see what he says.
He said, in that case, you can choose one among the winners and give that account.
Oh, bro, I can't have evals. I'm already a live trader with Tradeify. I can't have evals. So I was trolling.
He says, no, man, I'm good. So he's walking away with 50K lightning funded. Congrats.
Oh, nice.
Abhishek, all you got to do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description so we can see it. It has to be the email address that you use for your Tradeify login. So congrats. We're removing you from that wheel. Now we're picking a second winner.
I'm curious if anyone's actually going to spin.
Second winner is, of course they're going to spin it.
There's got to be a gambler in here.
If they don't, then I will do it at the end.
Second winner
You'll
is
spin.
Yeah, I'll spin.
Manuel RY4C.
Manuel.
Manuel, sí, señor. Type something in the chat and let me know. Do you want to play double or nothing?
Or triple or nothing as well.
Or triple or nothing. Yeah, it's double, triple or nothing.
He said yeah.
Right. He's in the but that's more like him saying that that he won. Question is, does he want to play?
Make it clear. Do you want to play the wheel or not? Nothing.
I'm good. Okay, you don't get anything then. Congrats. No, I'm kidding. You're getting a 50K lightning funded. Make sure.
One of you needs to gamble. Come on.
Same thing here, Manuel. Make sure you add your email address that you use for your Tradeify login to your YouTube channel description so we can reach out to you and send you your free account. Third winner. How many did we say? Three. Okay, so we need you to spin like.
Yeah, I mean, originally it was one person winning 2 accounts. We did 3 people winning 1, and then it added in the triple. So statistically, it's the same amount. Katrine. Oh, that's me. Sorry, guys. That was my alter ego. Let me up.
It's the ultimate.
Kane. All right. Let me know. Do you want to play a game of double, triple, or nothing?
Remember, there's a triple in there. Come on.
We should just never really mention a nothing. We should say, do you want to play a game of double, triple, or nothing?
Then we would probably get done for like a gambling stream.
Wait, we're not?
Katrina, you here?
She better be here. I can't tag her though.
That means she's not here.
She's gone.
Nah, not necessarily. You can't tag people if they haven't put in a single comment. They have to write once before we can tag them. So
Manuel, you just need to put your email address in your YouTube channel description.
Oh, she's here.
There,
It's
actually a guy.
Yeah, bro.
So
Yeah, bro.
do you want to play double, triple, or nothing? Let's see.
Katrian sounds like he wants to play.
Please say yes.
Not taking the risk. Okay, now but let's just spin the wheel to see what they could have won, or they wouldn't have done.
Okay.
Yeah, good idea.
So same thing for you then, Katrine, or however I pronounce your name. You won a 50K lightning funded. Make sure to add your email address to your YouTube channel description so we can reach out to you and send you your free account. It has to be the email that you use for your Tradeify login. All right, let's spin the wheel of triple wheel, and let's see if they would have won. So that's for the first guy. That's a spin for the first guy. He would have gotten double. He would have walked away with 2. Would have walked away with 250Ks. Second guy.
Someone's gonna get a triple.
Would have got nothing.
Okay, second guy would have walked away with nothing.
Okay.
And Katrine here, third guy, would have walked away with, let's see. Oh, okay, with nothing.
W's in the chat. Everyone, basically, we took more accounts than we would have won. We gave away 3, and we would have only took 2. That's a W.
That is a W.
That's a big W. Good decision making, chat.
Well done, chat. Fire. So we got 3 50K lightning funded accounts given away today, which is sick. So we gave away 8 accounts total in the last 2 London streams. We're cooked, Celine.
Yeah, we are cooked. Oh, you're cooked, actually, because yesterday was not me.
What do you mean? Like,
I don't know what you're on about. I wasn't here yesterday.
The 5X was you and Kane yesterday. I am not part of that.
Celine, I wasn't on stream yesterday. I don't know what you're talking about.
I got it in writing.
I also had PTO. I wasn't here.
Yeah, Celine, you must have been hallucinating. I think you were here by yourself.
Whatever, guys.
I think you were here by yourself. Yeah. Chat, right? It was just Celine running streams yesterday, right?
Chat.
Yeah, exactly. Like Black said, Celine, that was on you yesterday. Like I don't know.
I don't know what she's on, but maybe she got maybe you got a concussion from falling off that chair. I don't know.
Yeah. Me and Nick were playing paddle yesterday. I flew to Switzerland and we played paddle in the morning.
Whatever. You guys wait for that paddle match.
We were in Mail playing paddle.
Yeah.
Mail sounds like a cool place. Whatever.
Mail in the Maldives.
And the Maldives.
I actually do call it the Maldives.
Yeah, you call it the Maldives. The Maldives.
That's what we call it in Australia.
Like a lot of people call them the Maldives. To be fair.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
They're
all wrong. Oh, love that. Love this. All right, chat. You know what? Today, as usual, we're going to have another New York session stream at 8 a.m., 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So make sure to tune into that. Put a W in the chat if you love this stream, and put a W in the chat, especially for Kane, for showing up to the London stream, rocking this with us. First time public stream during the London session, which is kind of sick. We all banked, took the same trade or similar trades. These longs, everybody made money. Hope you all made money too. Only put an L in the chat if you absolutely hated every single aspect of this stream. Otherwise, it's got to be a W. With that being said, Celine, any motivational words for the chat before we hand it over to Kane?
Today? I want to say, chat, well done, whoever took the longs with us. We were disciplined. We stuck to our plan. And yes, we all banked on that. So W's to you guys for if it was your plan and you took it, well done. It's Friday, of course, end of the week. So do not be trying to give all that money back to the markets. Make sure you're sized appropriately if you are trading New York session or if you're trading the rest of the day. Keep that in mind. You are going into the weekend and there's nothing worse than giving it all back on a Friday, trust me. But we appreciate you. Thanks for today. Today was fun, and I'm full for you guys in the chat that stuck up for me when I was sandwiched between these two guys giving it to me. So you know what? Thanks to the chat for backing me up there.
Okay. What are your last words for the chat here?
What?
Oh man.
Anyway. Guys, thanks for a very PG friendly stream. Sorry for anyone that caught the tailwind of that. That's not how we normally operate. Anyway, I appreciate every one of you. W stream. I echoed most of the things Celine said around not giving money back on a Friday, and you got to think you've got the weekend. I can tell you for sure the amount of times that I've gone into the weekend.
I was thanking them for the support in the chat.
Yeah, you did.
You guys were bullying me, and they were there, but some of them were backing me up.
Yeah.
That's
anyway.
Cool. Okay.
Yeah. No. I agree with you, Celine. That's exactly what you said. I agree. That is exactly what you said. But don't get the money back over the weekend. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you all very soon.
Love y'all. See you guys.
See you guys.
Ciao.